Alright guys, thank you for clicking this video, and this is Victsing 130 ml aromatherapy set. Let's start unboxing this. So this one comes with 8 aromatherapy oil. So the first one is the T3i, rosemary, sweet orange, geranium, eucalyptus, peppermint, lemongrass, and lavender. These are 0.17 ounce or 5 ml. The power adapter, and it is 24 volts, 0.5 amps, 110 or 100 to 240 volts. Okay, the user's manual and a thank you card. So here it is. It's just small, guys. It's not that big. Okay, and the power on and off. Okay, so this is a quick review of this Victsing 130 ml aromatherapy set. So this one comes with 6 aromatherapy oil. So orange, lemongrass, geranium, T3i, rosemary, eucalyptus, peppermint, and lavender. The diffuser is small, so this is the size of my phone, and it may look like bigger on the picture, but it's really small. So about 6 inches in height and maybe 4.2 something, for the width. This one, guys, have the color changing, lights, and it cycles through the color, so it's a good one for night light. You can see that background, color changing light. Okay, so that's all about it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Peace.